Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into the University of Limpopo. The University of Limpopo is a university in Limpopo Province, South Africa. In order to log into Limpopo University, go open your web browser first and type in www.ul.ac.ca and search. Soon, after you do that, you'll end up on the login page of the University of Limpopo. On the right side, you'll be able to see the login screen on which you'll need to enter your credentials. Choose your login options from student, personal, others, and alumni to choose according to your designation and your respective numbers, and enter your PIN number on the text field. You'll need to enter a 5-digit numeric PIN, and the PIN should not start with a 0. After you do that, tap on the login button and you'll be able to log into the University of Limpopo. In case you've forgotten your PIN, go and tap on Forgot PIN right here. If you want to change your PIN, you can tap on the next button right next to it that says Change PIN. You can also request a PIN by tapping on this button right here and follow the instructions in order to log into your account. That is how you can log into the University of Limpopo. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.